My name is Chris at HouseIt here in Miami, Florida. Today we're going to talk about an interesting topic that many of our New Yorker clients moving down here often ask us, and that is who pays for title insurance and who gets to pick the closing attorney. Well, let's go over that first because often the party who pays for title insurance also gets to pay for the closing attorney. And the answer is, in Florida, it varies based on which county and which part of Florida you're in, because customs do vary. And in fact, in the standard Florida realtor contract, you'll see a provision there which either party can negotiate this, of course, and they can check which party pays for title insurance and various such costs. In short, the standard in Miami-Dade County and Broward County is actually for the buyer to pay for title insurance. However, in other parts of Florida, it may be customary for sellers to pay for title insurance. And, it can be a mix. It's not a hard and fast rule. It is customary for this to happen, but even in Miami here, where the seller, for some reason, insists on paying title insurance and picking the closing attorney. And we've heard reasons such as, perhaps it's someone they've worked with before, they've seen too many buyers work with inexperienced closing attorneys, or title insurance companies that causes too many troubles, say they want someone that they can pick who would just get the job done. So again, it's not the end of the world if you see something that's unusual for your region. It could be a very innocuous reason, but that's essentially it. There you have it. And remember, it actually is quite an important power to be able to pick the closing attorney, especially as the buyer. So personally, even though paying for title insurance is not fun, we still think it is very worthwhile to be able to pick the closing attorney, just because for such a high value transaction where a lot of trust is required, you ideally want to work with someone that you know or have worked with before. Wire fraud is very much a thing to be concerned about. So when you're dealing with large transactions, it is nice to be able to work with someone that you have picked. So there you have it. My name is Chris at HouseIt. I'm the co-founder here. So if you're ever looking to buy or sell in New York or Florida, hit us up. Drop us a comment if you have any questions below. We recently opened up in Southeast Florida, so we cover now Miami-Dade County, Palm Beach, Broward, Martin, and St. Lucie counties. We can help you save up to 6% when you sell with our agent-assisted FSBO service and up to 2% or more back with our buyer closing credit service. My name is Chris at HouseIt. We hope to see you on the next one.